Hi Sagittarius, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs for the month of March 2021. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Oopsie. Wow, Sagittarius really? Okay, fine, I'll take all these cards. Do you want me to shuffle them? Because, really, what's up? I'll just give it one shuffle. I will need one more card. And then we can start. Wow. Okay, Sagittarius, the card at the bottom of the deck is the Ace of Swords. New beginnings when it comes to ideas, new beginnings when it comes to a practically thought through relationship, could be a business relationship, a business venture, or you could be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Aquarius, or Libra person. I said Libra and I just saw you've got the Justice card as well. You've got the Hermit card, which means Sagittarius, you are finally getting out of isolation. Something happened. Probably someone betrayed you, or you found yourself feeling really isolated because things weren't turning out to be the way you had imagined them. But I see there's a change of energy, and you are letting go of a lot of things, lot of baggage. If you were dealing with a legal issue, Sagittarius, it is getting resolved, and it is getting resolved in your favor. Could be, I feel it could be a property issue, or it could be a legal battle over the custody of kids. Um, I'm also getting a divorce. So, yeah. But what I feel here is once you've let go of the past, once the energies start changing in your life, you will start seeing the potential in your own life. Sagittarius, right now I feel you are dwindling between your responsibilities, you're feeling a little lost, you're feeling a little confused about how to go about things. But rest assured, Sagittarius, there is going to be a beautiful new beginning, and you will find yourself living the life of your dreams. But give it time, Sagittarius, just give it time. Yes, there was some kind of. Wow, you've got the Wheel of Fortune twice. Number 20 could be important. You got the Judgment card. Whatever struggles there were in the past, Sagittarius, they are leaving you, they're leaving your life and pushing you towards a new beginning. The past is finally leaving your, it's stopping to, how do I say it? You will finally stop being haunted by your past. Some kind of new beginning is coming. It could be a new job, could be a new passionate beginning when it comes to turning your hobbies into your career. That's what I'm getting. Now, this is a general message, so it may not resonate with any one of you, or it may resonate with each one of you, and I hope it does. You got the King of Fire, Three of Fire, and wow, you've got the Hermit card twice. You could be dealing with a Virgo. Some of you could be wanting to start a new spiritual journey, which is going to help you a lot, calm you down. Numbers 9, 10, 20, 8, 7 are really important, so keep an eye out for them. Now let's see some extra messages, Sagittarius. These may or may not be directly related to your tarot. You've got the Bear card. Number 10 and 15 could be important. Sagittarius, beware of people who look friendly but aren't. Um, be careful about trusting people easily. Nobody deserves your trust in the first go. Alright, people change. You just need to be a little smart about trusting people. You've done this before. Some memories and gifts. Wow. So your soul knows, Sagittarius, that this journey has been taken in the past. Now these are extra messages, so if they don't resonate with you, you can check out the other readings. You've got the Let Go card. Your soul knows how to heal, Sagittarius. It's just to convince your mind. Convincing the mind is something that needs patience and a lot of skill. Keeping the mind calm. Let go of things that don't serve you, Sagittarius. Excuse me. Relax. Everything is okay. Don't worry. It's all going to be fine. The angels are reassuring you, Sagittarius. You could be dealing with a Cancer person also. A fresh approach. Number 21 could be important. Okay. The answers you need are coming. Nothing is yet set in stone. Don't let your past hold you back. Let go. You are good enough, and it's time to take action. You've got 2 full moons and 1 new moon, major beginnings and endings. Have faith, Sagittarius. Things are coming to light, and the things that are not serving you anymore are leaving your life. Hope is the conduit for miracles. Yes, please have faith in your dreams. Please be hopeful for a better and a brighter future. I would like to dedicate this beautiful clear quartz to you, Sagittarius, so that you can get the much needed clarity that you truly deserve. And Sagittarius, I hope all the happiness in the world finds its way to you. Thank you for watching, Sagittarius. Bye.